Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a professional resume using Overleaf and LaTeX templates. So let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once the browser opens, click on the search bar and type "Resume using LaTeX." Then press Enter. From the search results, click on the first Overleaf website to open it. Once you're on the Overleaf website, scroll down to explore the available resume templates. You'll find different professional resume designs created using LaTeX. Browse through the templates and choose one that matches your style and requirements. After selecting a template, open it to preview the resume. You can view the design and check how it looks as a PDF file. If you like the template, you can download the PDF file or use the template to edit your resume by replacing the sample information with your own details. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more AI, career, and productivity tutorials.